Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and my mentor sent me a little file that made a lot of sense when you're making this shape. I like this shape because if you look, this thing is going, what I'm going to call I'm calling this the top. So this one's going up, this one's going right, this one's going left. So they can kind of, and it's kind of like a 300, 0, or 60 degree scenario on this pattern. So if we go by what he sent me, and I was not thinking about using indexing lines. So if we hit the plus key on the keyboard and double click on it, it's going to go to there. We're going to rotate the first one 240 degrees. Then we're going to take this one again, hit the plus key, change the rotation of the other side on the indexing line, and rotate it 120 degrees. Now we're going to take this one again, hit the plus key, move the center rotation to the center of the first one. Sometimes it doesn't look like it is. And if you don't know the degree, you can always go here. And if you look, we're at 300 degrees or close about. And then if you type in 300, you've got that shape. So now we can smart fill this shape in. Whoop, I was off. I wasn't inside the shape. So there's your shape. And what I was saying about 300, 0, or 60, if you look at this one, how it fits together, if we make a plus sign, we can, and it is a 300, let's change it to a 60 degree. And now try to figure out where to put it on this side. And you'll just have to kind of figure out where it might fit. And let's say it fits right. For some reason, snapping to it, it looks like the color is overrunning, but it's really not. Well, it really is. I don't know why it's not. There we go. So you need another shape in here. Let's hit the plus key. Let's move it out of the way. This is a 60. We really need it rotated the other way. Let's try a 300 degree turn. That's not right. Let's try a 0. And then this will snap right in that place. Now these four all go in the same direction, but you've got to have some go in the same direction, but this is a pretty cool design. You can really have some fun with it. Not so much as far as us laser engravers, but trying to pick another color that kind of make it stand out. And it's just, I've had a lot of fun with it, so I thank my mentor for sending me that. I was not thinking about using indexing lines to get it perfect. Hope that helped. Thank you for watching.